Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and I really do hope you guys had a lovely weekend. You know, I know we are mostly stuck in quarantine now. I mean, most of the Europe is, but it's still good to get a couple of days off to recharge your batteries and prepare yourself for a new trading week. And this week, new trading week, is going to be an interesting one because the elections are going to go on this week. So we could see some crazy market movements. So do be careful this week. I do implore you that guys, right? And for that reason, we are today on BNB BTC. And for this very reason, why are we on BTC contracts is because if you check BNB USDT, you will see that it's really high up, right? So it's really high up. It's really hard to long it at the moment. We did have a couple of longs there, if I'm not mistaken. But that's why we're going to be attacking BTC contract on BNB right now, because there is much more to go on this one. But on USDT, it's probably going to reject the top, but it still has like $5 to $10 if my memory serves me right till it reaches the top. But before we do analysis on that, right guys, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video, punch that notification button, right, so you get your videos to the front screen, and we do them every day except on Sunday. Yep, so going back to BNB, right, I mean, Ethereum right now, it's waking up. Bitcoin is sort of a camping on the same spot, right, on 13.8k or something like that, right? Ethereum is just slowly waking up after really losing its grind on Ethereum BTC chart. So right now we might actually be coming into the era, slowly coming into the era where alts are gonna make a move, right? Ethereum is usually, when it starts waking up, hits that kind of a first indicator, so we'll see if that one is gonna flow through, right? So yeah, area for this trade right down here, and I can already tell you the stop loss for this one is gonna be a little bit bigger than expected, but that's okay because the move on this coin is gonna be quite juicy as well, right? So we can expect higher profit takes. So it will be right here for about 13%. The stop loss is about 13%, and as you can see, my green line, which is been serving in the first couple of trades that I used back in the past, I'm gonna move it just slightly up. As you can see, it's already still in the correct position, so it still matters even though a lot of the time has passed since I last used it. And right now you can see the first profit target. It's already a really good one for 27% or 2.10R. You can already see why fat stop loss doesn't really matter in this case. And we all know BNB, it's a Binance coin. You'll know that is probably one of the most bullish things, because Binance is a very strong exchange and it's coming up all the time with new stuff, right? Lately with this mining, they even jumped on this mining train, right? On Binance Launchpad, they're launching their new projects and you can use the BNBs to mine the new project's coin, right? And once they list, you can sell them. So yeah, really neat way to kind of make passive income if you're already holding the coins, right? So the second profit target, I'm going to be placing it right on top of this. And as you can see, if I place it right on top of this, it's 54% or 4.16R. And in this case, I'm going to make a little area about this because you can take this TP a little bit higher due to the wick on the left side that we have created on the last time, which was in 13th of September. So yes, we can take this TP a little bit higher as well, but you know me, I like to be safe and I like to take him at the bottom of the box so I don't get missed. And for the last profit target, profit take in this case, is going to be here. And wait, blue line, does it matter? I'm gonna make it green. And again, it can be a little bit of a box. Again, you can take it a little bit higher. I wouldn't really matter much, because if it move it all the way to up there, it's 83% or 6.3R. And I really feel strong about this trade, and I really do think if BNB manages to go under here, it's gonna be quite a drop, and this drop can then follow all the way down to about here, right? Which again, okay, it is about 20%. It's not the worst case, but if that does indeed happen, I'm going to be targeting for another trade here, because I do know that BNB is gonna move a lot, especially in BTC pairing, right? In the future, I just want to capture it somewhere. If this trade manages to fail as well, then I won't be knife catching it anymore, but I will rather wait for a structure to form, something like we already discussed, right? Early reversal signs, and then grabbing a pullback and longing it from there, something like that. depends on the price action. I'm not going to try to, you know, predict this one right now because it wouldn't make much sense. So yeah, guys, I mean, it's gonna be election week, so we'll see. Might be crazy markets, so do use stop losses this week. I mean, this week you can get wicked out on quite many positions. Also be careful on forex, on, you know, standard pairs, because I do think there's going to be a lot of movement, right? So we'll see what actually happens, right? And of course, subscribe to our channel, you know, like the video, and also join us on 4C Telegram community, right, where we discuss the stop losses, discuss profit takes. We also discuss, you know, we analyze Bitcoin and Ethereum on daily manner. And also join us on a stream that we're going to hold this Tuesday, right, at the same time, same hour as every week, right? So thank you for watching, guys, and we'll be seeing each other in the next one.